pastor ask him, they go.
9 days. So after 9 years,
After
9 years, you don't want to open up for me. You don't they steal it for your husband.
You don't put money for my head.
Man of God.
Yes.
Man of God.
Yes.
You know, say, you don't think why they bear this day. I say, I get secret where I want to tell you. After 9 years, my wife don't open up for me.
No, that is not the will of God, Dad. Mama, what happened?
You know, ask her whether I don't put money for my head.
Jesus.
You know, ask her, it's fair,
I
brother.
ask you.
You know, they give me money.
Don't worry.
Chop money, no, they give.
Don't worry. The church is going to look into this. Okay?
The church is going to look into what?
Yes, don't worry.
You get up now. You get up now because of your that thing. I make me want to come back to the marriage. No wahala.
We are seeing now.
No wahala.
No padlock.
You don't go back love.
Yes.
No worry.
Are you sure you're not forgetting something? You guys should come closer.
Wait till pastor.
Man of God, what happen?
You have to give the man of God something to keep the ministry.
Now every time they take money.
Every time, they give
Come
my.
on, go.